Welcome to 5821 South Atlantic Avenue in beautiful New Smyrna Beach. This stunning oceanfront Bethune Beach luxury estate is on the no-drive portion of New Smyrna Beach. Featuring a large multi-tier composite deck overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. The first floor features a large open room perfect for a game room or formal living area. Also on this level is a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. A large walk-in rustic stone wine cellar, commercially refrigerated with plenty of space to host wine tasting. The second floor is a nice open floor plan with expansive views of the ocean. A high-end updated gourmet kitchen with a Viking stove, sub-zero refrigerator, built-in steamer, and dual dishwasher cabinets. This level also features high-end wood floors, a second bedroom with an ensuite, full bathroom, and also a front walk-around balcony. The third floor is the luxury master suite with breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean to the east and the intercoastal waterway and marshland to the west. This suite features multiple balconies overlooking the ocean and intercoastal waterway, bamboo floors, separate sitting area, and a wet bar. The luxurious master bath features a large clawfoot soaking tub, bidet, large walk-in shower, travertine floors, and high-end finishes. Enjoy the best views in New Smyrna Beach and the beautiful sunrises, sunsets, and rocket launches on your private crow's nest large enough to entertain.